Hello, students. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Students, so many persons are facing challenges to be fluent in English. But today I am here in this video with a crucial strategy. That strategy is very powerful and beneficial for you. Suppose that you have been practicing of spoken English for a long time. You have been doing hard work to be fluent in English. Despite of this, you are not getting confidence. When you start eh, interacting with someone, then you feel that, oh my God, I am not so confident. Other person is able to speak English fluently. But why? What is the reason behind it? Other person is able to speak English fluently. And I have been working hard. I have been doing hard work for a long time, for 1 year, for 2 years. Despite of this, I am not getting confidence and I am not able to speak English fluently. But today, don't worry. Now you have not to worry. Today, one special strategy you will know. I am going to explain about that strategy. That is, you will have to make combination between input and output. Now you will ask me that what is input and what is output. Input means you have to achieve knowledge more and more about spoken English. After all, what is the condition? What is the condition? After all, I have been practicing of spoken English for a long time. I have been doing hard work to be fluent in English, but I am not getting confidence. So, one strategy, you have to adopt that strategy. You will have to make combination between input and output. It is an open secret. It is known to all. It is an open secret. It is known to all. LSRW. These four parameter is very essential to be fluent in English. So that's why listening and writing. Listening and writing will give you input. Listening and reading, reading, writing, and speaking. So, first of all, you have to do one thing. You have to listen English content more and more. Every day you have to listen English content more and more. But one thing you have to pay attention, there should be active listening. That is input. That is input because without input cannot be output. Okay? So that's why one thing you have to do, you have to write English. You have to write English, one paragraph, one page, half page every day. But one thing you have to do, you have not to skip. You have not to skip practicing like this. You will have to improve these four parameters LSRW: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Then I was telling you that every day you have to listen English content 15 to 30 minutes. Then automatic you will feel confidence. Like this you will feel confidence. Second thing, I am telling you that you have to write half page, one page, any content. You have to listen English content every day 20 to 30 minutes. Like this, automatic your mind will observe that thing. So I would like to explain here one thing, that In the beginning, you will feel something problem. First of all, you have to observe the formula 80-20. What is 80-20? You will have to invest your time. 80% time you will have to invest 80% time in listening and reading. This is input. And after that, in the beginning especially, you have to use 20% time in speaking and writing. So like this, if you will be able to make combination between input and output, then automatic by the time, with the time, automatic you will get confidence from within, and it will happen automatic. And when you will start interacting with someone, then that time you will feel that something is happening miracle, something is happening magic with me, and automatic you will be able to speak English fluently. I can give you guarantee. So that's why in this video I would like to recommend you that you have to make combination between input and output. Second thing, when you will listen English content, then you have to pay attention that your listening should be active listening. So many persons, they are listening English content, they are listening English news, they are listening English music. So like this, no, this step, there should be active listening. Again and again, I am repeating this. So that's why if you will do active listening, then automatic you will feel that new words, new sentences is going into your mind. So that's why, my friends, I would like to recommend you, if you would be able to make balance between input and output. Second thing, I would like to explain here that if you get an opportunity, especially deliberately you have to speak. In the beginning you will feel that, oh my god, I don't have sufficient knowledge in speaking, I am making mistake. Don't worry, don't worry, I am telling you. Then automatic, only you have to do, you have to pay attention, you have to improve these four parameter. You have to pay attention on these four parameter: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And every day you have to do. One thing I would like to recommend here, you will think that in a week I will pay attention 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5. No. At least you have to pay attention 10 minutes, 20 minutes. But that should be every day. This is the main thing. So my dear friends, I would like to recommend you that you have to try to make balance between input and output like this. Using this strategy, automatic you will be able to get confidence in speaking English. So that's why I would like to recommend you, don't forget it. So in this video, this is sufficient, and I will see you in next video. Till then, take care.